Could this be the ultimate keyboard for everyone? AULA's F99 claims to pack a serious punch, promising a premium experience without the premium price tag, but let's see if it truly delivers. Right out of the box, the AULA F99 makes a strong impression. Its 96% layout is a smart move, giving you almost full functionality with 99 keys, including crucial arrow keys and a number pad, all while saving precious desk space. What immediately stands out is its incredible versatility in connectivity. We're talking tri-mode, Bluetooth 5, a snappy 2, 4 GHz wireless, and a reliable USB-C wired mode. The ability to connect to up to 5 devices and switch between them effortlessly is a game-changer for anyone juggling a PC, laptop, tablet, or even a gaming console. It's genuinely impressive how seamless that transition feels. But it's not just about connections. The typing experience here is where the F99 truly shines. This is a hot-swappable custom keyboard, meaning you can swap out switches and keycaps to your heart's content, and they even include the pullers. It comes equipped with pre-lubed linear switches, and the difference is palpable. Typing feels incredibly smooth, almost gliding, with a satisfyingly pleasant sound that isn't overly clacky. This smooth response is fantastic for both rapid-fire gaming and long typing sessions. AULA has gone all in on the internal structure too. The gasket mount design, combined with an extended integrated silicone pad and PCB single key slotting, creates a typing feel that's soft, elastic, and incredibly stable. They've even layered 5 different filling silencers between the PCB and the plate, effectively counteracting any hollow cavity noise. The result is a solid, premium feel you'd expect from much more expensive boards. For gamers, the F99 doesn't hold back. It boasts 16 vibrant RGB lighting effects, including cool music rhythm modes that really add atmosphere to your setup. Macro customization is fully supported, allowing you to record and edit complex commands, and with N-key rollover, every single key press registers, even in the most frantic real-time games. And let's talk about endurance. The built-in 8000 mAh battery is absolutely massive for a keyboard, promising extended usage without constant recharging. Plus, the double-shot PBT keycaps are a fantastic addition. They feel durable, and the legends are molded in, meaning they won't fade or wear off, maintaining their crisp look and vibrant saturation for years to come. The AULA F99 isn't just another mechanical keyboard. It's a meticulously crafted piece of tech that genuinely elevates the typing and gaming experience. For its comprehensive feature set, robust build, and impressive performance, it's an incredibly compelling option that truly stands out.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.